In this video, we will look at some of the best bubble remover on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Nason-Na B2 Plus Mini Air Bubble Remover Machine. The Nason-Na B2 Plus Mini Air Bubble Remover Machine is a highly efficient and compact solution designed specifically for removing air bubbles from LCD, LED, and OLED screens. This machine is a valuable tool for professionals in the phone repair and screen refurbishing industry. Versatile air bubble removal. Designed to efficiently remove air bubbles from LCD, LED, and OLED screens. Built-in air compressor. Number 4. OCA Vacuum Laminator N20 Plus Bubble Remover Machine. The OCA Vacuum Laminator N20 Plus Bubble Remover Machine is a dual-function device designed for professionals in the LCD repair industry. This machine combines vacuum laminating and bubble removing functions, making it an efficient and essential tool for screen refurbishing tasks. 2-in-1 functionality. Combines laminating and bubble removing capabilities, streamlining the repair process and saving time. High power and efficiency. Operates at 450 W, ensuring powerful performance for thorough laminating and bubble removal. Compatibility with vacuum pump and air compressor. Requires both a vacuum pump and air compressor to function, ensuring optimal performance for laminating and bubble removal. Large capacity. Capable of handling screens up to 10 inches, making it suitable for a variety of devices. Certified quality. CE certified, ensuring it meets European safety and quality standards. The OCA Vacuum Laminator N20 Plus Bubble Remover Machine is an excellent choice for LCD screen repair professionals. Its 2-in-1 functionality, combining laminating and bubble removing, enhances efficiency and productivity. With a powerful 450 W performance, compatibility with vacuum pumps and air compressors, and the ability to handle screens up to 10 inches, this machine is versatile and robust. The CE certification and 12-month warranty add to its reliability, making it a valuable investment for any repair shop. Number 3. TBK 208M 3-in-1 OCA Laminator. The TBK 208M 3-in-1 OCA Laminator is a versatile and efficient tool designed for mobile phone screen repairing. This machine combines LCD separation, bubble removal, and laminating functions, making it an all-in-one solution for professionals in the screen repair industry. Combines the capabilities of an LCD separator, bubble remover, and laminator, streamlining the repair process and enhancing productivity. Powerful and efficient. Operates at 300 W, ensuring powerful performance for all three functions. Compact and user-friendly. Features a compact design with a product size of 195,370,200 millimeters, making it easy to accommodate in any workspace. The separation table and fit bin sizes are optimized for mobile phone screens, providing precise and efficient operation. High quality and certified. CE certified, ensuring compliance with European safety and quality standards. Customizable and versatile. Designed to be customizable to meet specific needs, making it suitable for a variety of screen repair tasks. The TBK 208M 3-in-1 OCA Laminator is an excellent tool for mobile phone screen repair professionals. Its 3-in-1 functionality, combining LCD separation, bubble removal, and laminating, enhances efficiency and reduces the need for multiple machines. With a powerful 300 W performance, compact design, and CE certification, it offers reliability and high-quality operation. Number 2. M-Triangle LCD Screen Laminating Machine. The M-Triangle LCD Screen Laminating Machine is a state-of-the-art tool designed for cell phone screen repair. This machine integrates advanced features to ensure precise lamination and efficient air bubble removal, making it an ideal choice for professionals in the screen repair industry. Provides a gentle yet effective lamination process, ensuring screen integrity and high-quality results. Digital display and one-button start. Features a user-friendly digital display and a one-button start for easy operation, making it accessible even for beginners. Number 1. Yokonk M20 OCA Vacuum Laminator Laminating Machine. The Yukink M20OCA vacuum laminator is an advanced solution tailored for professionals in the screen repair industry. This machine combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to ensure efficient and precise screen repairs. Capable of handling LCD, LED, and OLED screens, providing comprehensive support for various screen types. Screen size support. Suitable for screens under 10 inches, accommodating a wide range of devices including iPhone, Samsung, HTC, Nokia, Sony, Huawei, Xiaomi, and more. Enhanced safety and ease of use. Features a newly designed bubble door for improved safety and ease of operation. The one-key start and touchscreen system control enhance user convenience. Specialized mold for curved screens. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.